Okay, so here we go. Sorry I didn't get this to you sooner. Being sick and then the weekend and catching up really slowed me down. But let's go ahead and get this started. So this is how you're going to add products. First, on the left-hand side, you have products. You're going to click Add New. Once you add New, it's going to bring you to a blank product. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is enter the product name. So you can go ahead and call this test product right up here. The next thing you want to do is enter the description. Okay, this can be as long as you like or as short. It's really up to you. Oh, I can't spell description. Okay. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and select the product categories. You can select more than one. It's up to you, but for example, here we'll do new arrivals and we're going to pretend this is a dress. Okay. So once you've selected the categories, you can go ahead and set the product image. It's important that whoever's editing your pictures gives you a image size of 680 by 1015. They can give you the regular size, the bigger image, but also make sure that they give you a resized version of that image because the product images have to be a specific size. That's how they fit into the boxes and how they conform to the website. So just make sure when whoever's editing the pictures, they give you a resized product photo of 680 pixels by 1015. Okay. Once you select it, go ahead and set the product image. Next, you're going to add the product image to the gallery. This is the actual product page. So this image up here is the actual image you see on the category page where all the products are listed, and this image here is the actual image on the product page itself. Okay, so once you've done that, the next step is to set up the product data. The first thing you want to do is change it to a variable product. This basically makes the product, it gives the product its sizes. That's how you know how you set the sizes. And then this information stays the same under general. Inventory, the only thing you want to do here is do a SKU. I set the SKU based off the category that we're using. So here we have dresses, and then a random 3-digit number, 312, or you can base it off the last one that was entered. So if you have 6 dresses right now, this would then become the 7th, so you have dress 007. Okay, once this is done, you don't touch anything else here. Okay. Next is to actually put the attributes in. The attributes are the size or the color that the products have attached to them. So you go ahead and you click Add, and this is going to add all the attributes here. All right. The next thing you want to do is click Use for Variations. So this allows you to add variations to the product, and then you want to go ahead and attach the sizes. Okay. So basically, a drop down comes up, and you can add each size that you want to use. We'll do small, medium, and large. Okay. If you want to remove one, there's an X. You simply click. That will remove it. But once you have the sizes set, you can then move on to the last step, which is adding the sizes to the products. Okay. Make sure you click Save Attributes. Go to Variations. And now this is going to be a 3-step process. The first thing you want to do is actually a 4-step. Add the variations. So you create variations from all attributes. So this will add all the sizes to the product. Okay, so you go ahead and click OK, and you have 3 variations added. All right, the next step is to set the price. So you click Set Regular Prices, go ahead and click on Go, and then enter the price. $30 is the regular price on this product. Okay, the third step is to toggle Manage Stock. So this is going to allow you to manage the stock for each product. Okay, simply click Go, and now you can add the stock. Now there's 2 ways to add stock. If you have the same inventory for all of the product sizes, small, medium, and large, let's say you have 2 of each, all you have to do is come to set stock right here, stock, go, click on Go, and press 2. Okay, now this will add 2, small, medium, and large. Now if you have to manage the stock on each individual size, you simply click on the arrow and it reveals the small drop down, and here's the stock quantity. So you can come in and simply change it to the amount you want. So here we have 3 smalls. Okay, go ahead and close that, and let's say we have 5 larges. Once you've done that, you've entered the inventory, you've entered the price, and you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and push this really quick just so you can see. All you do is click Publish. And now if we were to go to shop dresses. You have the product listed here in the product page, okay? So quick overview, simply go test product, okay, as a name. This didn't get saved because if you notice we have a duplicate SKU. So you need to make sure you use a SKU that is actually not used. So just always double check the last one that you used. Okay, there you go. So that one worked. So now let's just double check, make sure if everything is entered correctly, you should see that dress here. If not, we may have to go and double check, but yeah, it should be here. Here it is, test product, okay? Simple as that. So quick overview, test product description, title, test product description. Please select the category, set your product image for the product page, set your product gallery for the product page, leave general as default, just set a SKU number for inventory, make sure the SKU number has not been used already. Then you come to attributes, you go size for the attribute you want to use, add, it's then going to add all the attributes. Then you clicked on use for variations, then we came to the value and selected each size we were going to use, and we saved, okay? Then we came to variations. We created variations from all attributes. It then put small, medium, and large in here. We then set the regular price, click go, set regular price. We then toggled manage stock to manage stock on individual size. And we did two things. We either set the stock for all the sizes at the same value of 2, or we came in to each individual size and managed the stock on the size, okay? Some other things that you could do is link products. So let's say you have other dresses you want to share. You can come in here and you can actually put those dresses in, okay? And then what this does is this puts it in the bottom of the page as products that are similar, okay? What's the difference between upsell and cross-sell? Cross-sells are products that are similar. Upsells are products of the same type that are more expensive. You're trying to drive people to buy the more expensive product, okay? So that pretty much is how you do it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm back in full effect, so I will respond quicker, I promise. Have a good one.